Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In today's video I will attempt to repair this LG TV. This is a 32-inch TV, model number 32LN540. Based on the first analysis that I made on this TV, it looks like it has a problem with the backlight. Started the TV, powered on. We have the standby LED working, but when we power on the TV, nothing comes up. But we still have the LG logo, and there are still some artifacts underneath. You can see on the light. Hope you can see this. So you see the display is working, only the backlight behind it's not working at all. So in this case there are two different scenarios. Either is the power supply that not feeds the correct voltage to the backlight, or actually some LEDs are blown out on the strips. So let's open it up and see exactly what's going on. Okay, so I have already opened the cover. I spared you the part of getting out all these screws. And yeah, here we have the power board. I presume everything comes from here because we don't have actually backlight, so we don't have power to the backlight. Here there is a simple connector. You see only two cables. This means that all the LED strips are connected in series. This means that we should have some voltage above 100 volts, something like that. So if I calculate all the LEDs, we have 3 strips as far as I saw, with the 6 LED per strip. So what should we do? First of all, let's connect to the main, to the power. On this step, be careful if you attempt this repair. This is on your own risk. These are high voltages here, especially I'm from Europe. We tend to have 230 volts. So yeah, let's take the trusty multimeter and put it on voltage, 200 volts, and let's see what we have here. So LED plus here and LED minus here. This is 5 volts in standby, and let's power on the TV. Now we have red light here, and let's see the voltage that the power supply feeds to the LEDs. Still 5.5 volts. Oh shit, I'm on AC. I should be on DC. And And yes, we have 50 volts going to the LED strip. So we have some voltage going to the LEDs. Let's disconnect from the main. This means that we have a broken LED. So what I have to do, I have to disassemble everything, turn everything around, and remove the display, and then find out where which is the faulty LED. So I will remove everything here and then go to the part of removing the display. Okay, and looks like this had already a tentative repair. You see here someone cut out a piece from another TV strip. Okay. So let's try and see which is the strip with problems. I presume here we have the main problem. Okay, let's use a power supply and yeah, feed 3 volts. So each individual LED has 3 volts. Let's see if this one is the one with the problem. I don't know which is the plus. Oh, so no. This is actually good. This one is good. Then okay, which one is not good? So we have in series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 3 is 21. So let's try to feed 12 volts because my power supply is going only to 12 volts, and see if we can power on the entire LED strip. So no. Somewhere we have a short. Let's see if this one works. Let's try and see every individual strip. The one with the problem is this one. I think due to the change here of the LED, this LED, something happened and made this LED go bad. So I will try to change this one, and then, or maybe both of them on the same strip. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so let's test again. This is the strip that we are working on. This is a donor strip that we will take LEDs from. Let's try and test again all the LEDs. Hopefully I didn't damage anything on the board when I remove this from the chassis. Okay, so we have the plus here and the minus here. Works, doesn't work, works, works. Works. And works. Okay, so we still have this one that doesn't work. Let's try to remove this cap here. Also, let's take this one from here. Let's see what's the polarity. To be honest, I would try to SMD solder the LED here. So plus, up is plus. Let's also note this. And down is minus. And in this case, this is minus and this is plus. Okay. This is clear. I will start my reflow station. Okay. Well, actually, I would do this one first. Just trust the pliers. This one is cracking up. Should remove this. So it's taking a long time because the heat is dissipated on the entire strip, which acts also as a heat sink. Oh, come on. You know what? I will use the let's apply some flux. This takes so long. I'll apply some flux. Since we don't need this LED anymore. Okay. But I think the pad is ripped. It was burned. Let's try to see if this is really the case. Actually, no. Okay. Let's apply some flux. And some solder. Like this. Perfect. Now let's try to remove this one. So plus is up and minus is down, just to know the polarity. Okay, that's it. Don't lose it, don't lose it. Put this one here. Okay. And that's it. And let's heat it in place. And that's it. Okay, so we made the soldering. Now we can test what we did. Start the power supply. We have 2.84 volts. We feed plus here and minus here. Okay, and this one should light up. And yes, it works. Let's test again all of the strips now, the entire strip. So I will not attempt to change this. If it works, leave it like that. So plus here, minus here works. 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 And plus here, and minus here works. So this one works now. We only need to add back this lens. Let's see which one is the correct one, and I think this one. Okay, we will add a little bit of super glue, trusty super glue. Here, exactly on the same parts. Okay, we will leave it to harden the glue. Okay, now that we repair this, let's try and assemble everything back. Okay, so we kept the adhesive strip here. Let's hope it will still stick in place like this. Anyway, no problem. We will use some adhesive tape to further secure this. Okay. One here. Also use one here. This will keep everything in place. Like this. Okay, so we have connected everything here. Let's put back everything. First of all, this diffuse. Connected to the power. We have the red light, or at least we had it. And yes, We made it, guys. Look here. Works. Super. Well, okay guys, this is the final result. As you can see, this was successful. It works perfectly now. So the only problem was that LED that was faulty. I've changed it and now everything works fine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, why not? See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.